Alright, so we are replacing a carburetor on a Champion 212cc engine on a tiller. This is a Chinese Honda clone engine, and the process of changing the carburetor is extremely easy and relatively simple. It's literally just like a Honda, and this carburetor was leaking pretty bad, as you can tell. Just gonna have to get the gas line off, pop a linkage and the spring off, and slide the old one off, and slide the new one on. And this is not an aftermarket part that I put on here. I'd actually ordered it directly from the manufacturer, which you will see here momentarily. So this is the part number. That is not a Honda part number, by the way. And I'm going to peel off the old gasket and put a brand new gasket on that I had ordered. And the parts for this thing were really inexpensive. So there's one gasket, and we're going to put the carburetor on in just a minute. Yep, there we go, putting the carburetor on. Hook a linkage up, hook a gas line up, make sure nothing's leaking, and give it a little wipe down. Make sure there's no leaks, because leaks are not fun, and trust me on that one. And we're going to put the air filter gasket on. That's that weird metal and rubber gasket. They like to go bad sometimes. And yeah, put the little new choke lever on. It comes with a new one. We're going to put the air box on. And the two 10mm nuts, and you got one 10mm bolt on the top that holds it on as well. Can't forget that one. And I don't know what I was doing here. I should have cut this out of the time lapse, but I'm back to making videos when I have the free time, and right now at my shop I'm about 3 weeks behind on repairs. So here we go, putting the airbox on. And it's a little tricky, but once you get it on, it slides right on. And I always put Loctite on. I like to use the Permatex orange on tillers and all, but I didn't show putting the hardware on. But anyways, see you all in the next video, and I hope you'll enjoy. If you have questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.